Ever wonder why your kitchen knife stays shiny, but an old nail left outside turns into a rusty mess? Both are metal, right? So what makes stainless steel so special? Why does it resist rust while regular steel seems to crumble at the mere sight of moisture? Well, the answer lies in chemistry, a bit of engineering, and a tiny but mighty element called chromium. Let's break it down and uncover the secret behind stainless steel's impressive rust resistance. Right here, on History of Simple Things. To understand why stainless steel doesn't rust, we first need to know what rust actually is. Rust, scientifically known as iron oxide, forms when iron reacts with oxygen and water. This chemical reaction breaks down the iron, creating that reddish-brown flaky substance we're all familiar with. The worst part? Rust isn't just an ugly stain, it weakens the metal, making it brittle and eventually causing it to fall apart. Regular steel, which is mostly iron with a bit of carbon, is highly vulnerable to rust because it doesn't have a natural defense against oxidation. Once moisture and oxygen get in, rust spreads like wildfire. That's where stainless steel changes the game. The magic ingredient that separates stainless steel from regular steel is chromium. Stainless steel is not pure iron. It's an alloy, meaning it's made by mixing iron with other elements. The key player here is chromium, which makes up at least 10.5% of stainless steel's composition. This small but crucial addition is what keeps stainless steel from rusting. Here's how it works. When chromium is exposed to oxygen, it forms a thin, invisible layer of chromium oxide on the surface of the metal. Unlike rust, which flakes off and exposes more iron to oxidation, this chromium oxide layer actually protects the metal underneath. It acts as a shield, preventing oxygen and moisture from reaching the iron in the alloy. Essentially, stainless steel heals itself. If the protective layer gets scratched or damaged, it quickly reforms as long as there's enough oxygen around. Rust is a weak, brittle substance that expands as it forms, causing layers of steel to peel away. Chromium oxide, on the other hand, is stable and adheres tightly to the metal. This is because it forms a passive layer that doesn't grow or spread uncontrollably. Instead of breaking the metal down, it strengthens and protects it. The best part? This protective layer is self-repairing. If you scratch stainless steel, exposing fresh metal underneath, the chromium quickly reacts with oxygen to create a new oxide layer. That's why even if stainless steel shows minor wear and tear, it doesn't start rusting like regular steel would. While chromium is the star of the show, stainless steel often contains other elements that enhance its rust resistance and durability. Nickel, for example, improves strength and corrosion resistance. Molybdenum adds extra protection against harsh environments, like salty sea air or acidic conditions. Carbon, manganese, and nitrogen also contribute to making stainless steel tougher and more resilient. Different types of stainless steel use different combinations of these elements, depending on the intended use. Despite its name, stainless steel isn't completely invincible. Under extreme conditions, it can still develop corrosion. For example, if it's exposed to salt water for long periods, or if the protective chromium oxide layer is repeatedly damaged and doesn't get enough oxygen to repair itself, stainless steel can form a type of localized rust called pitting corrosion. This is why marine-grade stainless steel, often used on boats, contains extra molybdenum to withstand harsh, salty conditions. Another risk factor is contamination. If stainless steel comes into contact with regular steel, tiny iron particles can transfer onto its surface. These particles can rust and give the appearance that the stainless steel itself is corroding. However, this isn't the same as true rusting, and a proper cleaning can remove the contamination. Not all stainless steel looks the same. Some stainless steel has a polished, mirror-like finish, while others have a dull, brushed appearance. The finish affects how well the material resists corrosion. Smooth, polished stainless steel is better at repelling moisture and contaminants because there are fewer microscopic grooves where rust-inducing substances can settle. That's why high-end kitchen appliances and surgical tools often have a polished finish, while industrial stainless steel might have a rougher texture. Thanks to its rust resistance, stainless steel is used in countless applications where durability is a must. It's in your kitchen knives, sinks, and cookware. It's in medical instruments, skyscrapers, and even spacecraft. Anywhere metal needs to be strong, long-lasting, and resistant to corrosion, stainless steel is the go-to choice. That's why bridges, train tracks, and even sculptures in outdoor spaces often use stainless steel. It can handle the elements without breaking down. Here's a fun bit of history. Stainless steel was actually discovered by accident. In 1913, an English metallurgist named Harry Brearley was experimenting with different steel alloys for gun barrels. He noticed that one particular sample containing chromium didn't rust, even after being exposed to harsh chemicals. That discovery led to the development of modern stainless steel, and the rest is history. So why doesn't stainless steel rust? It all comes down to chromium and its ability to form a self-repairing protective layer. This invisible shield prevents oxygen and moisture from reaching the iron in the alloy, keeping rust at bay. While stainless steel isn't completely immune to corrosion, its unique properties make it one of the most durable and widely used materials in the world. From kitchen sinks to massive bridges, stainless steel has become an essential material in our daily lives. Its ability to withstand the elements, resist corrosion, and maintain its strength over time makes it invaluable in industries ranging from construction to medicine. Whether it's a surgeon's scalpel or the framework of a skyscraper, stainless steel is everywhere, silently doing its job. Next time you admire the shine of a stainless steel appliance or lean on a steel railing, take a moment to appreciate the chemistry behind it. Stainless steel isn't just metal, it's a remarkable fusion of science, engineering, and innovation that continues to shape the world around us. Thank you for watching. If you have suggestions for our next video, feel free to share them in the comments below. We'll be sure to give you an acknowledgement for your contribution. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of simple things. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more stories woven through the smallest details.